Hello, hi, welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel. This is your Shyam, and today we are going to discuss which is very unique concept actually. Okay, that is how to select a strategy. Everyone tells you that pick a strategy which suitables to you, but nobody tells you that what is the meaning of the suitable. Okay, so that's where a lot of people will strike there and thinking that somebody is getting lakhs and crores rupees with this strategy, why don't I try? Okay, and then after they're trying they'll getting losses because that's not suits to them. Okay, if one strategy is suits to me, that might not be suitable for you. So how to avoid this confusion and how to select a good strategy which is again suitable for you. Okay, so without any ado, let's jump into the video. Let's go. Hi, welcome back. So let's discuss about how to select the best strategy for you. Yeah, the first point I want to tell you that it should be logical. Okay, logical means you already know that what I mean. It should not be like after two green candles you go for a buy, or else after two red candles you go for sell, or else some strategies will be illogical, right? Some kind of a number strategy, it will be like maybe it's deal with psychological level or many important level or something. But I'm not saying that that's a bad strategy or something, but it should be logical. Like if you follow an indicator or price action or support and resistance, it should be strong logical factor should be there behind the strategy before you starting to adopt it, you starting to execute it. Okay, it should be very important that it should be very logical. The second point is that it should be simple to understand. Okay, and it should be simple to understand, like EMI crossover, or else one or two indicators, or price action, trend line. It should be like that. Okay, if you draw a trend line, definitely if it is the candle is breaking above that trend line, we go for a long. This kind of a simpleness should be there in the markets. Believe me, simple only works in the markets. Okay, how should not be like what is the opposite for this? Okay, I have heard a strategy like delta should be equal. Okay, that's okay because it's called a delta neutral strategy, right? So we use it for option selling and some kind of option buying also we use that. Okay, that's another topic. And the strategy goes like this: delta should be equal and theta should be greater than yesterday. Okay, this is another confusion. I don't understand this one, frankly speaking. And then if today's high is equal to today's low, then execute. Otherwise, if all the conditions vice versa, if it is in reverse, then execute a short. What kind of a strategy is this? Okay, maybe he should be IITian, or he should be coming from Oxford University, something like that. So we don't want to go that kind of a strategies. Your strategy should be very simple to understand. This is the second point I'm going to present you. Okay, then what is the third point? It should be simple to execute. For execution, I can say that without algo, okay, some kind of a strategies will be there. Okay, with 1 minute super trend. In 1 minute chart, if the super trend turns into green, go for a long, and vice versa. If it is turns into red, go for a short on that PE or CE, whatever. Okay, these kind of strategies humans will not be able to execute properly. I can say that we can execute that within 1 minute also. I know so many traders are there who works on 1 minute, but the thing is that it should be your daily routine, right? Not every day, every time. You cannot compete with the algos. Okay, so what I mean to say is it should be very simple to execute. Like 5 to 6 leg strategies will be there. Okay, 3 strikes buy and 3 strikes sell and hedge one thing, and all these 7 6 legs will be there. I have seen that 12 to 15 legs also. I don't know, god knows that how to execute and how to monitor and all that. See, if some kind of a big traders will sell the Cs before the resistance, above the resistance, and below the supports, so that's different kind of thing. So they'll execute step by step, and they'll monitor their risk, and they'll close the trades when to, they know that when to close these kind of things. But even if you are in a starting stage or within a 5 years, so it's little bit difficult to manage that kind of positions and execute the trades also. So you have to take care of this. It should be simple to execute. Okay, let's go to the another point. Backtested results should be good. Okay, if you are working in cash or FNO futures or options also, we have a number of backtesting websites freely available, some of the paid also, so you should go with that. If it is a cash, I don't say that don't go with machine execution back results. You go back to day and manually test it, so that you will get a confidence, and so that you'll know, you'll come to know what is what, and when it is working, when it is not working. So that's the best way to backtest your cash or future trades. Okay, for options it's not possible, mostly because the data issue mainly. If you are using AmiBroker or any kind of a charting softwares, it's available, but for cash and futures you can test it manually. I suggest that. Okay, and let's go to the another point. Changing the results, what does it mean? Okay, so we all know that market will be, on some days it's trending days, like upward or downward directions, and most of the times it's in the sideways or flat or range bound. So the thing is that all the strategies will suitable for every kind of a market. Some of the strategies are like trend following or directional. Some of the strategies are non-directional. So for the non-directional strategies, if you're following and market is continuously trending for 3 to 4 months, then it will change the results, right? So you should aware of that when it is going to change the results. So you should know that this kind of a situation, it will not work. This much drawdown I have to face. Like if your capital of 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees, so you must be aware of the drawdown, right? So like most of the times 14% or 20%, 30%, 40% will be also there in some conditions. That's vary to person and their risk appetite. Okay, so you must aware of that, how much drawdown I can face that. Okay, in which situation it is going to change that. So how to avoid that? Because I have a trend following method, but the market is sideways. So how to avoid that? I'll give you that takeaways in the takeaways. Okay, don't skip the video, just we'll go to the next point. RR should be your suitable. Okay, if someone is saying that option selling strategy, and he is saying that keep the stop loss double of your premium. Premium means, you know that, right? If the option is trading at 100 rupees, so stop loss should be at 200 rupees. So 200 is suitable for him, not for you, because of your risk appetite, because of your budget size, because of your trading behavior. You can't afford that kind of a stop loss. Then how to do, what to do? So as per that, you have to plan your strategy that RR should be suitable. Like conservative traders, before the candles close, like 30 to 50 points, something like that. Okay, or swing low, or whatever it's suitable for you, you should select that. Otherwise you are going to be in a soup. Okay, so select the strategy which RR is suitable for you. Not someone has following these kind of RR, so I'll also follow the RR. No, it will wipe out your capital soon. how to start and execute? Let me come up. So these are the takeaways, friends, for this. Plan your drawdown. Okay, how much you can, you can bear the drawdown. Okay, suppose for 5 lakh, 1 lakh would be drawdown. Will you be able to trade on next day with the same psychology? You have to plan that. Okay, without this planning, don't execute the trades with the newly or old strategy. Okay, plan that drawdown. Make a note on somewhere. Okay, make a notes for that, this kind of a capital and this much drawdown I can bear. If it is going beyond this, what should I do? Okay, and consider monthly or quarterly results only. Okay, someone will say that I have a best strategy, but I'm comparing daily, day by day. See, if you are given a fixed deposit, you can't for 1 year or 6 months or 2 years also, you can't go to the bank app daily, you can't check how much interest I earn, right? So this is the same kind of a thing. Okay, for the portfolio also, for so many investors, based on the fundamental or based on their company's capability, they'll invest, but they'll daily, every 1 hour they want to see that what is the prices changes. So stop that kind of a habit. That's not a good habit. Consider only monthly and quarterly results, because market is dynamic, every day it will change. Okay, don't change the system oftenly. Okay, so you have to master one strategy, so don't change that. I have seen a YouTube video, this guy is gaining lakhs and crores of rupees in this strategy, so I want to follow him from tomorrow. I want to throw it out my old strategy. Don't do that. If you're testing a strategy, if you are satisfied whatever we have discussed all the elements, then you have to be stick to that system for at least 6 months to 1 year. Okay, then you will be master. So you know that along with that system, you know where to take entry, what is the stop loss, and what kind of a behavior today market is doing. These all you will come to know by experience only. Then SL, that's a key to be in the market. SL is a god, Bhagwan hai. Okay, that's a key. If you forget about SL, forget about the market, forget about your trading career. And TSL, what is TSL? Trading stop loss. Doesn't useful for most of the times. So don't trade your stop loss immediate. Trial your stop loss for continuously. Okay, if you have a target as per your system, just follow that. Okay, so and we have discussed in a video that trading was 7 trading mistakes in 2021. So you just go to that video and check it out. What kind of mistakes. So club this video with that, and then plan for your strategy. That's the best way. Thank you. Hope you liked video. Please hit on the like, share, subscribe. Looking for your success in the markets. Yours Shyam. Thank you.